Welcome back, guys, Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to show you just local updates for XRP, Ripple, what's going on with the socket now, and what are the targets. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I found some interesting moments of when the XRP pump it, H-bar follow and algo follow. So these three tokens move together, up or down, no matter what. Of course, the XRP now performed much better than both of this H-bar or algorithm, but I guess the algo anyway, we're gonna reach the main targets. I don't think so the algo are gonna hit the new all-time high like XRP, but H-bar is possible. I hope, of course, algo also will hit because I'm an algo holder, right? But I'm more realistic with this target. So guys, this is a global charts of XRP, what I track it and before. And yes, this was the top in January. We dumped it to 27 block, bounced it. And the next target, guys, in my conservative price target for XRP, it's 482, 727. I don't believe in $10 for XRP this cycle because everybody's screaming we're going to the moon, you know. But it's just my personal opinion, you know. So I track this fee, you know, since the top, and basically now it's playing out perfectly good. Here was a retest of 38. We didn't test the exit line, and this is example what I wish to see on the other tokens. So we pump way over exit line, sweep, just grab liquidity, drop it down to 38, hold the line 0.5, and go straight forward to the 1.61 level fee. Is it possible? So 360. 366 is last top for the XRP, guys. Of course, it's possible. So, but I think, you know, now the $5 will be like a magnet, like psychological magnet for the XRP for all the users. Nobody gonna sell it, and everybody waiting. And XRP already performed a pretty good one. So I want to guys show you the last cycle. So here it was like COVID dump. The XRP performed like come on, here it was like a bull run. You remember it was a crazy bull run, like 1,600% gains. So if we count, for example, from the bottom here, now we perform like 1,162. So around here is going to be 483, 1,500% gains. If we talk about the same gains, it's a little bit over than $5. Yes. Maybe it's possible to see the 5, but of course, guys, you have to be realistic, you know, with the gains, because imagine the hype around the XRP. If we're gonna pass the $5, everybody's screaming we're going to the 10. It's never enough. That's why it's only up to you where to fix. So I think it's logical to fix here and leave maybe some percentage to the top. What is good? The BTC dominance is still so high. That's why, yes, a lot of altcoins can perform. And when the BTC dominance will be on the 50%. So it's good take. Believe it or not, but anyway, we're going to drop after that to the buy line. If we talk about a monthly time frame, take a look, guys. Basically, it's a so huge gap. First of all, it's $1.85 and 62 cents. Kind of huge one. That's why probably if we will go higher, for example, to this area, the bottom can be, I don't know, 23 level by feet, like $1.44 in the next cycle for XRP, like 50% of this gap. Until that time, it's going to be the buy line. Of course, guys, we can go into even to $7. Now, a lot of hype around the XRP and the Ripple army. push it, all of this media posts. But guys, be careful, just be careful. Ask yourself, is it okay for you to buy Ripple now or not? Because time to buy it was here at 27 block, like 36% pump and 100% profit. So this is what you're looking for from the altcoins. If it's yes, you can accumulate even now. But personally, for me, it's not a right time for accumulation. The best case, you know, if it was an all-time high, we form something like this one, retest, and go in one more impulse up. So this is going to be just a really positive case scenario for the XRP. So my take, you know, about the stock in daily time frame. Now we just passed the exit line. I don't think so we're going to drop to the buy line again, because we already retested here in April 75. On the daily, it's $1.56. I don't think so we're going to drop that low. 12-hour time frame also $1.57. I don't think so. We're gonna drop it. That's why, yes. I wish to see the altcoin seasonal, you know, like a BTC dominance go straight on the 60%, on the 55% to 50%, for example, like a main support test, and all out take a breath, you know, and perform. And because any way to push the price higher on the BTC, we need some liquidity, and the altcoins and meme sector, it's easiest way to bring that liquidity. And some tokens like XRP, like Ethereum, the main tokens now perform because liquidity inflow into this token. Let's double check, guys, with take profit I showed you. Let's double check with ADZ. I can show you because it's a global ticker. This one here, it was a signal to sell, you know, XRP in January 2025, and we dump it from 321, dump it to 161. Now no signals. We are at the top, but no signals to sell. It's good. It's good. It's good. Monthly here, no signal about the top. I wish to see, of course, the top of the top for XRP here, and the target's going to be way higher, and some signals to sell. Signals for accumulation. Imagine first time in history begin here in January 2023 till June 2023. Now, of course, it's possible to see some sideways, some correction. It's possible, but now, basically, guys, no signal to sell, just in case. Take a look the market more money power, guys. Just for your information, guys, take a look. The market mood now at the highest point on the weekly time frame than ever. So here, this is December 17. You remember the hype. This is 2021. You remember the euphoria. Then here we are, where we now. It's kind of weird. So market mood, I can't say it's something bullish, guys. It's madness. It's total madness on XRP. And guys, definitely this is not, let's be honest, this is definitely not the right time to buy XRP. So this was the great time. Disbelief, disbelief. Now it's a total madness. We, even at the top on the money power, no signal to sell. Let's add alert to money outflow on the monthly. I wish to see some money outflow on the monthly on money power indicator. Here was a bearish RSI, we dump it. Here's at the top, but without any money outflow. On the weekly time frame, the same story. Here was a money inflow, here's a money outflow. Now we're at the top, but without any money outflow. Let's add alerts also on the money power indicator, money outflow on the weekly. We'll see what will hit the first. And the last one, guys, trade on. This is, by the way, the updates of main video, because the main bull run plan absolutely relevant. You know what I shared here on the Binance, and we move straight forward to the main targets. And here was a sell. Now nothing. Now nothing, guys. Maybe this week we will close, you know, and we will see some signals to sell, but now nothing. Daily, even on the daily, we don't see any signal to sell yet. Here was a sell, here's a buyback, man, now nothing. So I showed you everything in real time. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in the comment what you think about XRP. No makes sense to analyze now some fundamental behind, because fundamental now, this cycle and maybe even the previous one, just the marketing. So they all the time, they bring some good news in the right time, in the right moment. You know, some of the bad news at the bottom, some of the total positive news at the top. So don't be trapped. Write in the comment what is your target for XRP top of the cycle. If you'd like to trade with my customer Chris, what showed in this video, just write in the DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.